Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 2002 to 2008 Ram 1500. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or remove the bed from your frame. Hold your frame section up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Draw a line approximately 1/2 inch above the bottom of the frame and cut along it. Then, remove the bottom of the frame. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. After preparing your workspace, take your rear frame section and cut out the perforated plate. This will allow your frame section to fit over your existing spare tire crossmember. Then, take your rear frame section and slide it onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Tap it into place using a hammer. You can clamp your part into place with C-clamps to ensure a tight fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your rear frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done.